completely empty at Cardiff Airport. I'm riding down a one-way street as well, which I shouldn't be doing. I've decided to come to the place where you can see all the planes flying into Cardiff Airport, and I was going to open the app and check if there's any arrivals due. But I've just bumped into a gentleman who has hopefully reliably informed me that there's a plane coming in about 2 minutes. This is where I normally come to watch him, because you could park by here, but I'm going to go back to where the guy was sitting because he had a decent lens on his camera, so I'm thinking he knows that there's a better view of it coming from where he is. So I'm going to ride back that way now and hopefully catch the plane going over. There's the gentleman, and he wasn't wrong. Well, that was loud. Right, let's go home.